So for the internal link placement agent, there are two different ways you could actually utilize this tool. The first is that you could put your source page where you want the internal links to be placed and up to 8 target URLs right here. I've already done this. So I'm going to just click load last configuration. Now I have all my configuration in there and I'm going to run the tool. The tool will start and you'll start getting this job running status up here. You could go over here to see the progress at any point. It actually updates and lets you know where in the process it currently is. But while that is running, I'll come in here and show the second way of utilizing the tool. This option allows you to upload a Markdown file in order to run this tool. So why this exists is for instances where pages aren't live yet and you've just started writing the content and you want to add internal links to the content. So you could come in here, we could that example Markdown, which I'll show you where I got that from in a second, and start to run the job again. So that's going to start running, and I'll show you how I actually got that Markdown. That Markdown's from this. So imagine you just wrote a piece of content. It's all in a nice Google Doc, and you now want to use this tool to target some internal links. All you have to do is come in here, go File, Download, Markdown. The reason why we need Markdown is Markdown includes all of the kind of styling to let you know, like this is an H1 tag, this is an H2 tag. If we just kind of copied and pasted this into a tool or something else, it wouldn't be providing the AI all that content that it needs. And again, once you have that, you can just load it in right here and the job will start. Lastly, let's open this up now and see how our jobs are doing. The first one is done. We can open this up and see the output. You have your source URL, target URLs. So those are the two items that you're actually supplying to the AI. The anchor text, which is being written by the AI, whether or not on-page adjustments are needed, the notes about where on the page it's going to go, and your actual internal link targets. Notice one thing here is there's some that haven't been supplied. This is because the AI actually goes and figures out whether this makes sense for your target page. And if it thinks the link doesn't make sense, it'll just tell you that. So you see right here, the source content focuses on credit scores, their important statistics, etc. Target URL is about investing in stock, which does not have a direct or logical connection. And therefore, it does not supply an internal link recommendation in this instance. That's all for this video. If you have any questions or any feature requests or any kind of feedback at all, feel free to use this button down here. It'll open up a feedback window. I always review all the feedback that comes through and really appreciate hearing from everyone.